Today we're going to be showing the TotalCAE Private Cloud for CONVERGE. TotalCAE Private Cloud is a simple-to-use high-performance computing appliance that sits in your data center and is managed by TotalCAE IT professionals around the clock so your engineers can work more productively and have a reliable and easy-to-use tool to reduce the runtime of your jobs from days down to hours. Now let's take a look at how we can get started. The first thing that your engineer is going to do is just have to log in and then select their model. Then push submit, and within 2 clicks they're starting to do high performance computing with, in this case, Converge. Now you can have more advanced options, which we won't go over in this session, where you can choose priorities, you can hold jobs into the future at a future date, select the number of cores, queues, and a vast variety of other types of configuration that you may want to do. Once your job is submitted, you may want to see how it's running. You can see which nodes you're running on. You can get helpful messages if your job is not running. Perhaps you don't have enough licensing currently available, so the job will queue and it'll tell you not enough available licensing. You can also add helpful comments. For example, maybe you have a job that is urgent or want to leave notes for other users. You can put comments in when you submit your job that will be visible to the rest of your teammates. You can also see how many licenses you have available, so when you're submitting and you don't want to have your job queued because you've selected too many licensing, you can look at this option to see who's using the licenses and how many you have. You can also see the compute nodes that you have available. For example, the green nodes here are free. We have 16 total compute nodes. These ones in gray are busy. If you want to see how your job's behaving, just to see how much memory and CPU it may be using, you can click on and see the CPU usage over time to help you monitor your job. Once your job is complete, you're going to get an email saying it either finished successfully or not, and then you can post-process this on your workstation just using your standard post-processing tools with a letter drive where all your data will show up just on your PC. You can also choose, though, to use our Viz server. For example, our optional TotalCAE public cloud also uses a Viz server so that you don't have to bring the data back. You can actually do the pre and post processing right next to the data. We have a little snapshot here of your desktop. You just click on it and you're logged in through the browser into your desktop. There's no plugins required, no extra software on your workstation, just an HTML5 browser, and you're able to launch, in this case, Converge Studio, any OpenGL application, any type of engineering apps, standard Linux options like this terminal. You can do all of that and interact with it just like it was a local PC. Now, the benefit of this is that your data is sitting on the cluster and the Viz server is sitting next to the cluster, so you can get high performance access to your data without perhaps waiting for it to download. For customers that need to back up this work that's been just done, like work in progress, many customers face a challenge that they have hundreds of terabytes of work in progress that they have sitting on RAID storage but not really protected. They don't have backups. They may choose to copy that data in secure thumb drives or other ways to protect it. But if they accidentally delete a model or something, a disaster happens where the storage server dies, they don't really have a way to get that data recovered quickly. Storage Camel is a very affordable way where we encrypt all your data locally and then upload it to the cloud. Up to 1 petabyte of storage is available, and it's all self-restore. So you simply click on a file system here. This is Storage Camel. It's on Windows or Linux. It looks like a regular folder, and you can copy the results you need in or out of this archive to recover files you may have deleted, or maybe you need to go back to the way a file was a month or 2 ago on a program to see what had changed. Now, TotalCAE has many other capabilities and advanced options to help you speed up your model. If you would like to have more information on TotalCAE Private Cloud or learn about our public cloud offering for overflow or peak and burst activities, please contact us at www.totalcae.com.